بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. نكمل المقطع الثاني وهو البرودكشن أو عملية ضرب two matrices. زي ما قلنا في شرط لعملية الجمع إنه two matrices should be of the same size. هنا أيضا عندي condition أو شرط لعمل الضرب، وهو إنه عدد الأعمدة في المصفوفة الأولى يساوي عدد الصفوف في المصفوفة الثانية. If you have two matrices A and B, A of size M by K and matrix B K by N، لاحظوا إنه عدد الأعمدة هنا K مساوي K عدد الصفوف هنا. In this case you can do the multiplication, otherwise the multiplication is not applicable. مستحيل إن احنا نعمل multiplication. طبعا قانون الضرب هو هنا, but it will be much easier when we describe the definition using example. First of all, we have let's say two matrices. First of all, before you're doing the production, check the sizes. First one is 2 by 3, and the second one is 2 by 2. Is the number of columns here equal to the number of rows here? No, they are not the same. In this case, you cannot make the production. You cannot multiply these two matrices. These two numbers are not equal, and so the product is not defined. You cannot do it in this case. Okay, let's say we have the multiplication here. Always the multiplication between two matrices should be done in this way. You have this matrix A and the matrix B. Multiplication is by taking the first row with the first column. So multiply the first row with the first column, okay? And then write the result in the C, which is the result of the production. The matrix that has the result of the multiplication. In another way, I will use example to describe. You have here matrix A, matrix B. You will multiply the first row with the second column. So the result should be placed here, which is first row, second column. Here you have this row with this column. So the result should be located in the same number of row from the matrix A, same number of column in matrix B. How you will perform the multiplication? If I give you these two matrices, first of all, check the sizes. Size of A and size of B. A is 4 by 3 and B is 3 by 2. So the number of columns here is equal to the number of rows here. In this case, yes, you can do the production. What will be the size of the result? The size of the result always the number of rows here, which is 4, and the number of columns here, which is 2. So the size of the matrix, the result matrix should be of size 4 by 2, which is the number of rows in A and the number of columns in B. Let's begin the multiplication. I said start first with the first row and the first column from here. Okay, so the result will be here in the first element, you should multiply 1 by 2 plus 0 by 1 plus 4 by 3. So the first element, 1 by 2. So the first element in the first row with the first element in the first column plus the second element in the first row with the second element in the first column. So 0 by 1 plus 4 by 3, which is 4 by 3, 12. Okay, so then make the addition. 1 by 2, 2, plus 1, 0 by 1 is equal to 0,